are you all today? I hope you're doing great. Friends, today's our new recipe is veg soya chunk biryani. See friends, here are all the ingredients.
So friends, here I have taken 2 cups of basmati rice, washed it and soaked it for 30 minutes. Here is the green beans cut into 1 inch and some carrots cut into slices. And this is 1 tablespoon of whisked yogurt. And here is the thinly sliced onion and some mint leaves. Here are the dry ingredients. Here I have taken 2 cardamom, 1 small 1 inch of mace and half star anise and 2 inches of cinnamon and some more cloves, 5 to 6 cloves and 2 to 3 peppercorns. This is ginger cloves and garlic crushed one. And this is for grinding 1 whole onion I roughly cut into pieces. This is cauliflower, cut it and wash it with hot water and little salt and turmeric. This is 1 cup of cilantro or coriander leaves and thinly sliced tomato, 1 whole tomato. And here I have taken 6 green chilies. Here we are making green chili paste pulao, or you can call it as veg biryani as well. This is soya chunk. I have washed and boiled it for 10 minutes, and after boiling you have to drain water and wash with cold water as well. While boiling you need to add some salt and squeeze out the entire water and keep it aside. And oil, salt according to the taste. Now let's make a paste. In the mixer jar, here I am adding mint leaves and I am adding onion into this, the roughly chopped onion, and here ginger garlic into this and green chilies and coriander leaves and in this I am gonna add 1 cardamom and some cinnamon, little cinnamon, and 2 to 3 cloves and peppercorn. And the remaining masala should be whole because it will go directly in the oil. Now we have to add little water and make a smooth paste. Here our green masala is ready. Now I'm gonna make our veg biryani. Let's start friends. Okay, I'm gonna make veg biryani on open. That's called 1 pot biryani. So keep 1 big vessel on the stove and add some oil. Oil according to your taste, but for the biryani you need bit more oil. Once the oil is heat, let's start adding our ingredient one by one. First we need to add our whole masalas to the oil. Now our oil is heat. Now it's time to add whole masala into it. Be careful friends because cloves will splatter. So when you are adding cloves, you should be careful to add onion to it. Saute onion till it's golden brown and let the flame be in medium. Our onion is turned as golden brown. Now it's time to add our green paste masala into this. Adding green paste which you have blended. Now we have to cook till the aroma goes off because we grinded all the ingredients raw. Let it cook very nicely. It will separate the oil also from the sides. Afterwards we can add our ingredients like vegetables and all. Here I have taken less vegetable. If you want, you can add. Masala is well cooked and it changed the color as well. See friends, before it was full green, now it's well cooked and all the raw smell also went off. Now it's time to add our veggies to this. Let's add one by one. Here I'm gonna add carrot and beans to this. And I had few mutton, I added that also. Now saute well, mix it well. Now add soya chunks to this and again mix it well. See friends, here I mixed it well. Now it's time to add cauliflower, gobi to this. And give a mix, quick mix. Time to add tomato and give a mix and let it cook for 5 minutes in this tomato. Now it's cooked for 5 minutes. It's time to add our whisked yogurt into this and mix it well. Just let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes because our curd has to dilute well with all the veggies. It has to cook only few seconds. It has to cook few seconds. See friends, now you can see the color and texture. See here, our curd is also well cooked. Now the oil has started separating. It's time to add rice into this. Here I have taken 2 cups of rice. Whatever measurement you will take, 1:2 should be the water. Even though it's a basmati rice, we need to take 1:2 because it's a open pot cooking recipe. So we are taking it 2. If you want to make it in the rice cooker or any pressure cooker, you can take little bit of less water. If you take 1 cup, you can add 3/4 cup of water into this. Now give a quick mix to this. Here be careful, the rice should not break. Just saute like this. Add salt into this. Salt according to your taste. And for basmati rice or any vegetable biryani or pulao, anything you make, you have to add hot water, boiling water. So here I am adding water. As I told you, 1:2 water. Here you can taste the biryani, whether salt and spice, everything you can check here. See friends, now let's cover and cook it in a medium flame. In between you have to turn out the pulao like this, vegetable. Friends, it's cooking, very nice aroma. See, it's boiling. Now it's time to stir slowly. Stir it once slowly. Basmati will not take much time to cook and it's very delicate. You have to stir very slowly like this. Let it cook in a medium flame. Again cover and cook it. Here our soya chunk and vegetable biryani is ready. I just added 1 spoon of ghee to this and bit of lemon juice into this.
See friends, now I am eating this veg biryani with raita. So yummy friends, you need to try this out. Comment down below how this is. It's so nice. So nice friends. Thank you for watching our video. If you like, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Have a great day friends. Bye friends. Don't forget to click the like button. Bye.